Hello, dear students. How are you to all? I hope all of you feel good. Today we will discuss about chapter number 1. And the name of the chapter number 1 is Know Your Planet. Our Earth is a unique planet. You know, our Earth is a unique planet. Unique means different from other. It is the only planet in our solar system that has water and air. ये हमारे प्लैनेट का एक अकेला प्लैनेट है सोलर सिस्टम का जिसपे वाटर एंड एयर बोथ आर देयर. आवर अर्थ हैज लैंड मासेस एंड वाटर बॉडीज. द लार्ज लैंड मासेस आर कॉल्ड कॉन्टिनेंट. द लार्ज वाटर बॉडीज आर कॉल्ड ओशंस. Now let us talk about the shape of the earth. In ancient time, people believed that the earth was flat and had steep edges. Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, sailed around the world and proved that the earth is round. Pictures taken from space have also proved that the earth is like a sphere. एंशियंट टाइम में लोगों का ये मानना था कि अर्थ फ्लैट है एंड स्टीप्ड एजेस हैं. फर्डिनेंड मैगेलियन, ही वाज अ पोर्चुगीज एक्सप्लोरर, सेल्ड अराउंड द वर्ल्ड and proved that the earth is round in shape. Pictures taken from space have also proved that the earth is like a sphere. It is round, but it is slightly flattened at the top and at the bottom. Now let us talk about what is a globe. To study the earth, we need its model. A globe is a simple and accurate model of the earth. Globe simple and accurate है and model of the earth की model है. It shows the distribution of land and water on the surface of the earth. Globe show करता है, distribution करता है land and water का the surface of the earth. We can also see the correct shape, size and location of the continents and oceans on the globe. इसके अलावा continent की correct continent, correct shape and correct size of the continent. This also shows on the globe. But we cannot always use a globe to study the map, to study the earth. हम हमेशा ग्लोब को अर्थ की स्टडी के लिए यूज नहीं कर सकते. This is because a large globe is difficult to carry around. एक बहुत बड़ा ग्लोब हम हर जगह लेकर नहीं घूम सकते. A globe is small and all the details of a place cannot be shown it. ग्लोब के ऊपर अर्थ की छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स नहीं होती. We cannot make a globe for a part of the earth. Only one half of the earth can be seen at a time on a globe. ग्लोब पर अर्थ का आधा ही हिस्सा एक बार में दिखाई देता है. So students, it is a globe. It is a picture of globe, model of our earth. Now here this map shows there are 7 continents and 5 oceans in the world. संसार में 7 continent and 5 oceans हैं. Now let us talk about map. A map is a representation of the Earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. The word map comes from the Latin word mapo. जो word map है ये कहाँ से आया? Latin word होता है mapo से, which means a napkin. उसका मतलब napkin. Gerardus Mercator, a Flemish map maker, was the first to publish a collection of maps in the form of book. एक Gerardus Mercator थे, Flemish map maker, मैप बनाने वाले, was first to publish a collection of map. उन्होंने पहली बार collection of map publish करे थे in the form of book. A book of map is called an atlas और उस book को atlas बोलते हैं. We can draw maps on a flat surface, show continent, countries and a neighborhood. You can draw a map of your school and show all the details on it. In this way, a map is better than globe. मैप पे हम कोई सा भी मैप, हम हमारे स्कूल का भी मैप बना सकते हैं और छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स भी उस पर शो कर सकते हैं. इन दिस वे अ मैप इज बेटर देन अ ग्लोब. इसलिए मैप ग्लोब से ज्यादा बेटर है. However, the earth is spherical can be represented fairly accurately on map. This makes map useful tools to study the earth. Now let us talk about the types of map. There are different types of maps. Physical map shows the physical features of a place such as mountains, plateaus, plains and rivers. That means physical map shows mountain, plateau, plains and rivers. Countries, states and their capital are shown on political map. और जो country, states and their capital ये show करता है कौन? Political map. That means there are physical map and political map. In physical map, it shows mountains, plateaus, plains and rivers. And in political map, it shows countries, states and their capital. General information about climate and rainfall of a region is shown in climatic map. General information about climate और rainfall की climatic map में मिलेगी. Besides these, there are maps that tell us about the industries. इसके अलावा कुछ मैप और भी होते हैं जो इंडस्ट्रीज, पॉपुलेशंस, ट्रांसपोर्ट भी शो करते हैं. एंड मिनरल्स, क्रॉप्स, सॉइल्स, नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ ऑफ अ रीजन. कुछ मैप ये सारी चीजें, कौन सी चीजें? इंडस्ट्रीज, पॉपुलेशन, ट्रांसपोर्ट, मिनरल, क्रॉप्स, सॉइल, नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ ऑफ अ रीजन भी शो करते हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज अ टाइम टू डिस्कस अबाउट checkpoint. The large water bodies on earth are called lakes, oceans and continents. Here some statements are given to you and options are also given to you. We will find out the correct answer. Students, a large water bodies on the earth. अर्थ के ऊपर लार्ज वाटर बॉडी आर कॉल्ड, क्या कहते हैं उसे? लेक, ओशन एंड कॉन्टिनेंट. व्हाट इज द विच इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन? यस, ओशन. द लार्ज वाटर बॉडी ऑन द अर्थ आर कॉल्ड ओशन. नाउ सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट, द अर्थ इज सिलेंड्रिकल, ट्रायंगुलर और स्फेरिकल इन शेप. दैट मीन्स हमारा अर्थ सिलेंड्रिकल है, ट्रायंगुलर है या spherical in shape है? Yes, our correct answer is spherical in shape. Now, which is our third question? A globe is a diagram, map, model of the earth. Which one is the correct beta? A globe is a model of the earth. Now, the last question. The first person who published a collection of maps was, वो पहला आदमी जिसने पब्लिश करे थे collection of map was, and the options are Copernicus, Magellan and Mercator. Which one is the correct beta? Yes, Mercator. Now we'll move. Here one fact wise is this: one of the earliest surviving globes is the Iridapple or earth apple. One of the earliest surviving globes is the Iridapple or earth apple. It was made by Martin Wilhelm in 1492. It was made by the Martin in 1492. George Gulcondon painted the map on the Iridapple. Now let us talk about reading map. Maps give us a lot of information about a country or a place. Map हमें lot of information देता है about किसके बारे में? country or a place. We must know how to read a map and understand the information it provides. हम वो मैप देख के we must know how to read, उसे कैसे रीड करना है, and understand the information it provide. मैप पे जो informations दी गई हैं, प्रोवाइड की गई हैं, उसे हमें कैसे समझना है. Every map has some basic features. हर मैप के कुछ बेसिक फीचर होते हैं. They are follow as. Now students, it is enough to you. Meet you in the next video. Good day children.